Hey, this is DK from Gold IRA Rollover and in this video we are going to talk about Gold IRA company reviews and what to look for in a Gold IRA company when you want to investigate about a company before investing your hard-earned money into a Gold IRA. Now, it's common for anybody to think, what's there to review? You might feel that all companies are the same and that there is nothing to review. But before you conclude, you might want to think again. Because investing in gold is a lot different from any other investment. And when it is your hard earned money that you're putting into it, so that your retirement can be smooth and worry free, it makes it all the more important that you get transformed into an investigator like that of a Sherlock Holmes before you conclude on which is the best company to go about investing for your gold IRA. If you do all of your due diligence and investigations before you invest your money, you will have complete peace of mind when you retire, both from your gold IRA company and your investment, and you can lead a peaceful and happy life without having to worry about what is happening with the money that you had invested into your gold IRA. There are some of these things that give you a slight edge when you go about reviewing a gold IRA company. Now, a little bit of time that you spend on your research can go a long way. And some of these things that give you an edge is primarily on the way these companies approach you. You might find a better customer service approach in a company. At times, you might also find a very friendly sales team who is extremely professional and courteous in all their interactions with you. You will get better returns on investments even if it is a slighter one in terms of some benefits while you're withdrawing or maybe depositing. So you might get better returns on investments from one of these companies which stands out, which is a better one amongst all of these. And above all, what you get is improved peace of mind and a lot more smiles. What are the aspects that you might want to look at when you review a gold IRA company? So here are some of these aspects that you need to look at when you're reviewing one of these companies. You need to look at the Better Business Bureau, TrustLink, and the Business Consumer Alliance ratings for all of these companies. This gives you a preliminary picture of how trustworthy one of these companies are. Then you might also want to look at the number of complaints filed at these authorities for each of these companies and the status of these complaints. So this will give you an idea of how trustworthy these companies are, how fast they are towards ensuring that they have satisfied customers, how fast they are towards resolving complaints that are filed against them, and what is the nature of complaints that were filed against them and how true these were. You might also want to check the quality of the salesman on the phone, because the last thing that you want is to talk to somebody who doesn't have complete information about what they are trying to sell. You might also want to check if these salesmen are friendly. Are they trying to push for a particular coin? It might be that they are getting a better commission or better margin on one of these coins, and probably that is why they're trying to push that particular coin. So you might want to check on all of these aspects and evaluate each of these companies. Another important aspect that you need to look at is what is the setup time, the delivery, and the liquidation process and the turnaround times. So in particular, you might want to look at what is the liquidation process for each of these companies, because when you want to liquidate your investment and get money out of it, you might not want to be given a runaround by one of these companies. So it is extremely important that you go about reviewing the liquidation process. And finally, the fee schedule, because any lesser fees that you pay towards your investment will mean better returns for you. But the $1,000,000 question is how to rely on these reviews. So the ratings and the reviews that you get from the BBB, from TrustLink and the BCA should be more than enough, because these are all highly trusted authorities and it's a good enough proof for you to trust on their reviews. At the same time, it is also good to visit websites from credible sources to read reviews of their experience with the companies. So that will give you an idea of, you can match your experience, your preliminary experience with their reviews, and that should give you a fair idea of how good a Gold IRA company is. You can combine these reviews with your preliminary experience, and then you should be able to come to a conclusion. At goldirarolloverrules.com, we have some unbiased and concrete reviews about all of these companies. Now, at our website, you can visit and you can read each of these reviews. And all of these reviews are extremely detailed, and we give you a lot of information about all of these Gold IRA companies. So, this information uh, should help you in deciding which Gold IRA company to go with and which one is best out of all of these Gold IRA companies. So don't forget to visit us and check out our reviews at http://goldirarolloverrules.com. Thank you for watching.